A quick video on something that I've wanted to have a go at for a while. So it's kind of like a folded pizza, kind of cross between a lasagna. So 600 grams of dough. It's just, I've added some semolina to it because it's my bread dough, so it's a bit soft because it's from sourdough, so it's got a lot of hydration to it. So 600 grams of dough, and then we've got 300 grams of wild greens. Not really wild, but there's some nettles and there's some spinach and there's some cavolo nero, plus the stalks and an onion. So like 2 onions, 300 grams worth. So and there's like 300 grams worth of onion and greens in there, and then there's 100 grams worth of cheese. So basic idea is to fold it in half like that. Fold it in half like that, and then hopefully let's get that, and a bit more like that. So we're building up layers, and then over like this, over like that, and then I was kind of thinking that maybe I should have put some feta in, but I think 100 grams worth of cheese. We'll see how it goes. So wild greens is not the right time of year for wild greens, but we're getting there. And then into a hot oven on the cast iron pan that I've got in there heating up, so almost acting like a pizza stone. So that down like that. That looks about right. And then capture the pizza stone. Well, cast iron pan, but how can I? Yes, hopefully I can move that back there. That's slightly split, not to worry. Hopefully it won't burn the board. Cast iron pan. Semolina on the bottom, that on there, and then see how hot it is, and then in the oven. And I burnt the board. And we'll see how that turns out. Right, it's had 15 minutes. Let's have a look. That looks ready. Maybe we'll just give it a few minutes to cool slightly. I think it's nice and crisp. We'll give it a little bit of time to rest, I think, before we cut into it. Right, let's have a look. Oh, there we go. I was worried that the dough wouldn't cook inside, but that looks okay. That looks okay. The one I saw was slightly thin. That looks all right. Does that? A little bit. It needs more cheese. Or it needs something like feta in it, or mozzarella. But I think double the amount of cheese if I do it again. I think double the amount of cheese. So like 200 grams worth of hard Italian cheese. That's nice. It's nice.